What's up, everybody? So, we are starting today with harvesting the soybeans, and then we're going to go to the corn. Now, the corn is not just that field underneath it anymore, it's field number 9 over there also. Yeah, so we have a lot of corn to harvest and some soybeans also to harvest today. Yeah, sorry, I'm just like, wait, what the hell did I do here? And I remembered, oh yeah, wait, it's the plow. I was actually making the fields a bit bigger also. Right about that. I just get in first person because I suck apparently in third person. Okay, back to third person. In the trees. Anyway, so while I was busy with the farm and doing stuff alone, I actually bought a few new fields. Number 9 you all knew I was gonna buy, so instead of just number 9, I had enough money to buy number 8 also. After we bought number 10 the last time. So yeah, number 9 is corn, so that's the other field we're gonna harvest with the corn field. Number 8 at this point is actually wheat that's planted in it. So yeah, you're gonna have to harvest that also. And after all the harvesting is done, we're gonna see if we can maybe buy field number 6 also. Number 6 is located here. Is this one. That one has Kelowna in it. Which is also something that can actually harvest and we can make quite a big profit out of that. That is the wheat field, by the way. That was both corn and they're both also ready to harvest. So we're gonna harvest them this time. The wheat field isn't ready yet. Not actually sure when it will be ready. Let's see, wheat. Wheat gonna be ready August, July. That's maybe gonna be a problem actually. Because soyas and corn we have to plant April, May. That's maybe gonna be a little bit of a problem. Unless, of course, we're going to leave the wheat field empty for one whole year. Or until we can harvest again, plant soyas and corn again. So I just want to do like this. Because yeah, as I said the other time, I'm really not good in third person actually. But now in third person is, you can see the harvester better. The harvester better. Better. Ay. But yeah. So, gonna be cracking on with the harvesting. It shouldn't actually take that long because we don't have that small harvester actually. So it should be quite fast. The day before today, I actually sold some of the vegetables and mushrooms again. We made quite a bit of profit there also. That's how I was able to actually afford field 8. Oh, it's a bird. There in the distance, I just saw something on the screen. I'm like, is that a fly on my screen? No. That's a bird in the game. Well, us harvesting like this now and actually making sure we're spreading the leftover straw. That's gonna give another bit of extra bonus points for us when we're planting again and stuff. If I'm not mistaken, that actually gives the field the same as mulching, which is actually good. because that gives the field another bonus, which gives us at the end of the day more soyas. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna do all of it on screen. I'm gonna maybe do a few rows, see how long it takes. Then I'll maybe do some of it off screen also. But yeah, like I said, my goal is to, at the end of the day, actually try to afford field number 6, which is 225,000. That's a bit expensive. I don't really want to go for field 7 yet because there's carrots on it. And now, carrots is, yeah, it's good. It's good to get money in from carrots because you get a lot of money in because carrots weighs a lot more. But to harvest it, it takes too long. I wonder if you turn around now. I want to check something else because I wonder if that barn over there, I wonder if that's the same property as field number 6. Because if it is, that's actually good also for us. Because that means we can maybe start with some animals. Something like chickens or something like that. Maybe even some sheep. Let's see. Yeah, it's the same place. Doesn't look too big, but it's quite big actually. Although I say that, but let's face it, our whole yard isn't even that big actually, but it looks big. Oh, the harvest is almost full. Let's see, any specials? Just potato planter and same size harvester. So nothing really we need. But so far I'm happy. Every time we can throw out the soyas, I'm gonna be even more happier because there's more soyas we can sell. I think the mash capacity on this harvester is 9,000, if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, I was wrong. It's 8,600. Yeah, but it's not that bad. I mean, still 8,600 is better than the other one was. Although not a lot actually. I think the other one is actually 8,000 or 6,000. I'm sorry, now I'm just curious actually. It was 8,000. 8,000, yeah. It's just 600 more. But luckily, the fun thing about this one is it has the GPS. Oh, it's a trailer making that noise. I'm like, wait, what is making that noise? I'm not even sure if you guys can actually hear that noise, what the trailer is making, but it's making a weird noise. I'm like, wait, what the hell is that? Okay, maybe actually also just wind and every time these two harvester. But yeah, it's more fun to own it. There's money I have to spend every time. trees in the face. I don't want to go too close to the harvesters because then the game sound's going to be a bit too loud. I mean, when I'm inside the harvester, it's not that loud, but when I'm outside, it can get quite loud. Anyway, I think I'm gonna actually do the rest of it a bit off camera. So we're not gonna be too boring with just harvesting already. So I'm gonna continue this harvest. Maybe I should actually make a time lapse of all the harvesting. I think I'm gonna do that, yeah. I'm gonna make a time lapse of all the harvesting. So I just brought you guys back because I just realized something. With everything going on and the fields actually being 100% fertilized and 98%, I think, if I'm not mistaken, how the one was, the bonus yield was. We're getting actually a lot of soyas. I mean, the harvest is already again at halfway. It's 56% already again. Yeah, sorry. I'm driving like a drunk person. I promise you guys, I didn't have anything to drink yet. You know what I actually drink today? Yeah. I just realized we're doing actually quite good. I mean, there are 5,000 already getting harvested. 8,600 in the trailer already. It's not gonna be... It's gonna be quite a sum of money actually. I mean, we're October, we can sell this month also. It's the best month to sell. Best place gonna be Bull Crash Valley. 5,689. 98, sorry. Sorry, that was me eating the microphone. So that's gonna be the best price. It's gonna be this today to sell it also. So I think I'm not gonna keep a hold of it if it's the best price today anyway. I'm gonna sell it in today. I think after I actually done this field, we're gonna sell that quickly first before the price drop even more. Then we're gonna start the cornfields, and probably not gonna keep that going also longer than today. Depends on the price. Yeah, we're back in the line. Let's see, corn. Where is corn? Corn. Best price also today. Best price to sell is at the farmer's market. But everything is going down. Because it peaked today and now it's going to start going down also. So we're going to be in quite a rush actually to get everything in. That's going to be okay. So I'm not going to keep any of the seeds longer than today. It depends on if the price drops even more. But I'm starting to doubt I'm going to keep anything today. I think I'm going to sell everything today and just get everything done. I mean, look at this. We are already again at 85%. I mean, what? Talking maybe 5 minutes to with you guys? So yeah, that little bit of bonus yield makes a difference. I'm not so sure it actually made that big of a difference in 22 and 19 and those, but over here it looks to me like it's actually making quite a difference. Maybe I'm wrong about that. Don't believe me on that one. I mean, I'm talking. I'm not actually sure about that also. I can't remember the last time I actually had this good of a bonus. I actually got this much out of the field anyway. But can you imagine if I have, let's say, this field and 2 more fields of soyas? You're gonna make bank already. But that's okay. I'm not gonna complain. Who knows? Maybe the next thing I should do after I bought the other field is maybe purchase the other field also in the middle of them. Then I basically own this whole block here. Which isn't actually a bad thing to own. Maybe I'll even purchase that field also. Because it's just across the bridge. Oh, I'm full. I'm full. I just destroyed some of the soyas. Oh, ooh, okay, do it. No, it's not that much. Oh, yeah, we have a 100% yield bonus. So yeah, I forgot. 2 fields we had a 100% yield bonus, and in the middle field I think we had like 98%. But it was also because of the other 2 fields on the sides, we got to a harvest. The field in the middle was already allowed, I believe. I don't even remember. Like I said, this straw that you actually spread, it makes a difference in the yield bonus at the end of the day. If I want to get a good yield bonus, I can actually just get a mulcher and run it through the field in any way also. Which is maybe not actually a bad idea. I mean, it's gonna be a better yield bonus. Let's see. A little bit more there, okay. Oh yeah, I discovered the other day, in medium tractors, I took this R1. R6, sorry. Because I thought it was the only one. Yeah, it wasn't. Unless this one came in afterwards. But I actually believe it did come in afterwards. But this is the bigger R1. This is the one I was originally looking for. That one is 280 to start with, and to finish with, you can go up to 301 horsepower. The one we have to start with is 192, and go up to 234 horsepower. If I knew that, I would not have bought this one, I would have bought the other one, but this one, in all honesty, it has 22 hours on it, and you know what? It bowled this farm. I'm not even gonna lie, it bowled this farm. So, I can't complain about it. The tractor did its job, and I'm not gonna sell it now, I'm gonna keep it. So I'm probably not gonna buy the other R8, I'm gonna, R6, I'm gonna probably save up money, and maybe buy the R8 or R7 for our new field tractor. And keep that R6 basically for just collecting water and maybe some of the lighter field work, like the mulching and all that stuff, and pulling the trailers and all that stuff. But like I said, I really cannot complain about that tractor. It really worked hard. Oh yeah, I also got rid of some of the bushes on the farm. some of you had a keen eye, you will notice it. That's because I bought maybe a new little grass mower just to mow between the stuff. I was sort of getting irritated because every time I went out of the farm, you have these big bushes, and then you can't always see the cars, and then when you go, you hit the car. Now in real life, I mean, a tractor will demolish a car, but in this game, the car's a brick and you're gonna go fly. So yeah. I'm trying my best not to hit any cars because of that reason. Not bad actually. I mean, it's the first row again and we're already at 18% again. We only had a little piece of the other row we previously harvested. We're getting quite an amount of soyas here. It doesn't look like a lot, but it's giving me a lot actually. I mean, what we have 16,000, 70,200 in the trailer already. Okay, so I brought you guys back again. That's probably not in a few seconds. Anyway, so as you guys can see, I'm actually finished now with this field of the soyas. And we're at 60% already again with the carbine. The harvester. Which is, honestly, I'm actually a bit, I don't know what to say actually about this whole thing. Because I was thinking, okay, maybe we're gonna get two harvesters full of soyas out of this field. That will make me happy. We already got the two harvesters. We're already at bonus now, basically, for me. And honestly, I'm really happy with what we have now. Because at this point, it's almost over 18,000. If I'm not mistaken. Let's switch that off. I don't need that one anymore. We're gonna go get the corn header now, which is there. I already parked everything outside, pulled everything out. I was recording a bit earlier, but then I had the autosave appear. And the last time with RF4, which was the previous video from this one, as soon as I had the autosave happened, the video got corrupted. So I just wanted to make sure that it didn't happen again. So I actually was attaching everything and all that stuff. Then I stopped the video and made a new video basically, just to make sure that the autosave didn't in fact corrupt the video again. Which luckily it didn't. So yeah. Oh no, wait, my math was mathing. Why did I think about 6,000? Yeah, 8 plus 8 is 16. So yeah, it was 70,200, so I'm already at way more than I was thinking we're gonna have. We're already at 45% full of the trailer. We're gonna have about 22,000 liters of soyas to sell. Which is way more than I thought we were gonna have. I'm gonna have to make a waypoint. Where's the exit button? There's the exit button. I am so happy now I actually forgot where everything is. Okay, we're gonna go to that, and they are end of a map. This one, so we want to go to rent a train. No, we're gonna go to the Grand West side, if I'm not mistaken. So in a day, 23,000. Wait, what? 23,061 meters. That's awesome. Way more than I thought. Okay. I'm gonna test the corner here so long. Then we're gonna quickly drive over to sell the soybeans. I'm gonna do the big field first. Left, right, leaning a little bit. I still like that mod more. It's a mod you can basically lean over, you can check everything that's going on and all that stuff. I had it in 2022, the mod. Then when 2025 began, I wasn't sure if they're gonna bring that mod back again. But lucky they did. And this is one thing I still love about this harvester. It always keeps yourself upright. Anyway, let's go. Let's go. We need to go. We need to go. We need to go sell. Run! I was thinking about maybe actually selling this trailer of mine. And then maybe just buying a truck trailer also. So that we can basically use the truck to sell everything in town, so we don't have to drive the tractors to town that much. Yeah, tractor, no, I don't have multiple yet. Oh yeah, by the way, I actually sold a bigger plow also. Downloaded the mod for a 3.1 or 3.2 meter plow, and I bought that plow instead. Basically, it's with all the jobs I was doing with the plowing, I noticed that I was actually struggling most of the time to turn around. That's because the plow was always, it was either too big or it was just so uncomfortable. Like these fields, they're not straight, they're always having a curve. So in the field there's a curve in the field. Now that's, in real life you're gonna have fields like that also. But now you're gonna mostly not have that many trees around the field actually, so you can maybe use that plow then. But for here, that plow is just, it's a bit uncomfortable to turn around with. So I instead decided to go with a smaller plow. The car behind me? Where's that car going? He probably went the other way there. So yeah. No, it's not that much smaller, but it's a smaller plow. It's what, a meter smaller maybe? So it's still going to get the job done quickly, but just a bit more efficient. Like I said, I apologize for my words sometimes. I mean, I know it can maybe distract some people. I promise you, I'm not doing it on purpose. Is this where you throwing the... Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like it. Am I right? Am I wrong? Oh, we'll see now. We'll see now. That rover. Yeah, well, that one is thrown. I'm gonna go in the train so long. Well, it's where you're in the train, so I mean... How do you rent the train? Just press E, or click on it. How do you actually rent the train? I mean, you're supposed to be here. Box. Oh, wait. Rainy train is here. Rainy train is here. That's where you pick up. Okay, wait. Almost got run over by the train. Train is going to arrive soon. 50.6 kilometers away. Where the hell is this train? Oi. And this train is still in the other side of the world. Well, I don't think I'm gonna wait for it this long, so I'm gonna go. If I see the train go past me, I'm gonna just keep to it. I mean, you should be able to switch to it now. And I have a feeling I actually went the complete wrong way into this setup, but it's okay. It's okay. Luckily for me, the train goes past my farm, so you know, we're gonna see it. Now, I know I said I'm gonna make shorter videos and stuff, and this video is actually gonna be quite a while already. So I'm happy because I'm actually using Steam now. I noticed I actually have a recording, built-in function recording function basically. That's why out of all the other day wasn't that laggy. So I'm using Steam again to see if it's not gonna be still gonna not be laggy. Because I realized if the other program I was using, it was pulling a lot of RAM data. So yeah. And like I said, I wanted to give you guys good quality videos that doesn't lag. Because I'm actually starting to enjoy myself here now. Yeah, that's probably go pretty far. I don't want to maybe end up leaving the tractor in the middle of the road because the train is here. Now with my luck, the train is not coming from this side, it's coming from the other side. I'm honestly just gonna laugh if that happens. Let's see. Not mistaken, you should be able to actually jump to the train like this. But we'll see. Wait, let's get that down. Let's get to the corner almost. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we are. Come on. Yeah, that's nice and slow. This corner is just impressive in this game. I mean, in real life, you get corn this tall. It's just amazing. In this game, every time you play corn is this tall. And corn picking up quite fast. The amount of harvesting is picking up quite fast actually. So that's a good thing. Oh, there's the barge. No train yet? No. I'm sorry, we're going to just get quickly there. No. I didn't know the train actually takes this long to get past here. I put a headline on 2. I might put the headline on 2 rotations. That's my mistake. That's great. I mean, at this point, we're gonna maybe need to be able to clean the headlines. Mayfield, sorry, headlines. We're not working in newspaper. It's still the first row we're doing, and we're already at 29, 30% now. So it's going to be quite the harvest. So I'm going to leave you guys here again until I spot a train. Another time lapse. So for me it's going to take a while, for you guys it's going to probably be fast. Now, my luck. As soon as I start the time lapse, the train's going to show up. I'm probably going to miss it. Anyway, enjoy the time lapse. I'm back because the train is there. So like I was saying, the train came from the other side. And of course, you can't jump to the train. Okay. Why is the train coming this way? I'm dead serious, you're gonna see the train now. It's coming this way, yeah, there it is. Why is it coming this way? It's not supposed to be coming this way. I'm not gonna stop it. No, I'm not gonna stop it there. It just freaking blew plus. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go stand there and wait for the train. Okay, I didn't know that. I guess you learn like this. At least now the train should come from that side. There's people here. Did she just jump off and leave the train? I hope not. Come on, Mr. Train, where are you? Okay, so we're gonna just stand here and wait for the train. Seriously. I'm gonna just take a wild guess and say the train is glitched out. For some reason. Interview. Okay. That was the easier way. You knew that, I would have done it the first time. Jojo. I don't think you're supposed to be doing that while you're driving at this speed. Okay. Slow down. Slower, 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 slower. I forgot the sign says it takes a while to slow down. Start filling. No, 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 no. Please, start. And close down. Now, let's get to the other side. Let's get the time back on the schedule. So the train doesn't take that. Oh, wait, that's it. I didn't even know that. Okay, the train will deliver the drive to Goldberry and will return with the. You want the. Yes. 131,000 and 400. 131,410. That was just the soils. So I'm happy and surprised and don't know what to say now. Except thank you. That's why I like planting soyas. Soyas and groundnut and even corn actually. They're pretty good value crops. Is corn actually good value crop? I'm thinking about it. Yeah, corn is not that bad. I mean 2,000. That's per 1,000 liters, and I mean corn is a heavy thing actually. So corn is actually something you're gonna get a lot off again. Kelowna, which is the field we want to buy now, we missed the best price. Okay, we missed the best price, but because of the mod, we still get good prices. Wheat, which is another light crop, yeah, that's not too good of price actually. But that doesn't mean you're not gonna do wheat. Maybe just not start there and just start at the field, at the beginning of the field. That's maybe a good